This morning in Europe, the stock Novo Nordisk decreased by 6% because they released a new trial for Crisema, okay, a new trial result, and it has been disappointed. We will see now if it changed all the theory about Novo Nordisk, if it's a good opportunity to buy now the stock, or if you should wait before entering. So we'll talk about valuation, and you will as well understand why it has been declining by 6%. So first, it's the false on trial results. Okay, the Redefine 2 phase 3 trial for the Crisema. Okay, so the trial included 1,206 participants with obesity or overweight and type 2 diabetes. Okay, they achieved weight loss of 5% or more for 68 weeks. And the thing that is important to note is this one. Crisema, which is a combination of cagrilintide and semaglutide, showed a superior weight loss of 15.7%. In comparison, Wegovy is around 12-13%. So here 15.7% is an increase. But the problem, you should say, oh, good, it's better than Wegovy, so it will be better. But the thing is, the real problem here, it's in another late trial result published in December, the company from Crisema helped patients reduce their weight by 22%. Okay, so here it's 15%, before they had 22%, but the main thing is Novo Nordisk, which manufactures the firstly popular weight loss drug Wegovy, previously forecast weight loss of 25% for patients who take Crisema. So first, this was a forecast. 3 months ago, they had 22.7% weight loss, and the stock declined by almost 20% after this announcement. Then now, we have 15% weight loss, and it's far away from 25%. So it seems that the medicine Crisema have way less efficiency, way less effect than what it was expected to be. So here where we have a problem, and that's the reason why the stock is declining. So because of this news, is it bad or good for the company? In my opinion, it doesn't change the long-term aspect of the company, especially that this Crisema should enter on the market in 2026. It seems that it have less side effect than Wegovy, have better results than Wegovy, so it could be good for the company. Apparently, Eli Lilly is also working on a drug like this and has better results for now for the first trial. We will see at the end of the year, but in my opinion, this is just some wind on the share and it's not a reason to sell, and it doesn't change the long-term growth prospect for the company. Novo Nordisk have a strong moat. I really recommend you to see the full analysis that I did on this channel about this video. This is just an update video about the news. Let's talk now about valuation. Is it a good opportunity at 560 Danish Kroner? So this is the last net income for the company. Remember that all of this is in Danish Kroner. I generally buy my stock on the primary market where they are listed. So it doesn't really change a lot buying at ADR and so on, but I prefer to buy on the primary market where it's listed. So with this last income reported, if you want to do 13% per year, so to beat the market, you need generally to do more than 10% per year. For me, I take a 30% margin of safety here approximately, and I want to do at least 13%. I want my stock to do at least 13% to consider it as a buy. So as a price of 560, if you want to do 13% for the next 3 years, okay, it's a DCF for the next 3 years, you need to have 14.5% per year growth, a P ratio of 23, okay, a P ratio on 23 in 3 years, and then you will do, and no buybacks, okay, minus 0.10% buybacks, let's say no buybacks, okay, and then you will need to buy the stock under 560 Danish Kroner to do 13%. So now it seems that we can do 13% by buying the stock at this price if we believe that the net income can increase by 14.5%. For the next 5 years, okay, the net income need to increase by only 14% per year and have 23 as a P ratio in 5 years. So in my opinion, as doing a reverse discounted cash flow, this could really happen. The forecast for the company, you can see them here on FinChat. You have long-term EPS growth of 17.5% and the short-term, the forward 2 years, 22.6%. So having 14% and 14.5% in the next 2 years, 3 years, I think it's fair. I think we have some good margin of safety. So for now, the valuation seems good. If we have the scenario written here, okay, with 17.5 growth rate, so here let's put 17.5%, we will have 16% cumulative annual growth rate for the next 5 years. And if we have 17% growth rate, the PE ratio should be more around 25, eventually 26. The average PE ratio for the last 5 years have been 25. Okay, so if we put 25 here, we'll have 18%. So now I think Novo Nordisk is at a good price. It's a value that is good. It's a value where you can have some good return and you have actually some good margins of safety. So if you want to know more about this stock, I really recommend you to look at the full analysis that I did on this channel. You will find the video on my channel. And yeah, for now, my vision doesn't change. I have Novo Nordisk in my portfolio. I will not sell, and I may be planning to buy a bit more of the company.